What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. So I recently got the Apple Watch Series 7 and I decided I wanted to install a screen protector on it so that I can avoid cracking the screen, knowing that replacing the screen on one of these is going to be very expensive. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the best type of screen protector for your Apple Watch Series 7. Hi there, my name's Sergio. Welcome to Serge Tech. Our mission is to help you get the most out of your tech through reviews and tutorials. If that's something that you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell. And there's going to be useful links to everything that I talk about in this video in the description down below. So check that out. With that being said, let's jump right into it. So when you receive your screen protector for your Apple Watch, you're also going to receive a alcohol wet pad. This is to clean the face of the Apple Watch first. You're also going to receive a cloth-like small towel, and that's to dry the face and remove any leftover dust or dirt after the prep pad. You're also going to receive a dust absorber sticker. Now this, we may not use it, but sometimes you may use it. This is at the end of using both of these. If there's still some leftover dust or dirt, you can stick this onto the face and peel it off, and it should remove it. And then you should also receive this cardboard-like squeegee board. And this is to remove any air bubbles that may be left on the screen once the screen protector is installed. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take the Apple Watch off and we're going to begin with the installation process. All right, so let's get started. First thing we're going to be using is the wet pad. Okay, and it opens up as it's folded. Okay, and we're just going to slightly run it across the face of the iPad, removing any dirt or dust that may be stuck onto the screen, and then gently wipe it all around the sides. Once it's done, we can place that to the side. Now we're going to use the small towel to dry it up. This will also help to remove any more dust or dirt that might be left on there, as it is a small microfiber towel. Okay, it's looking super clean. All right, so I'm not going to be using this dust absorber sticker because the screen looks clean enough. So we're going to go ahead and grab our screen protector. Okay, and it's going to have little numbers here for steps to peel off the plastic. So the first one that we will peel off is number 1. So we'll go ahead and peel that one out. So next step is we're going to remove number 2. So just peel it back. Hold on to it, and then we're going to peel off number 3. Then we're going to go ahead and place the screen protector on the screen of the Apple Watch. Okay, once it's on there, we're going to go ahead and give it some pressure downwards to stick the screen protector onto the screen. And we're going to go ahead and use the squeegee to remove the air bubbles. And then once you have most of the air bubbles taken out, you can go ahead and remove the plastic film, which is number 4. There are still some air bubbles here, so I'm going to go ahead and gently remove the rest of them now that we have that last film out. All right, so there you go. That's how you install the screen protector. Let's go ahead and place the Apple Watch back on the wrist so we can check it out. And there you go. You can barely tell that there is a screen protector on there. However, there is. If you look really close, it goes right to the edges of the Apple Watch. So very high quality screen protectors here. Still gives it a glass-like natural feel when you use your Apple Watch. You can barely tell that there is a screen protector on your Apple Watch. So that is how you install a screen protector on your Apple Watch Series 7. Go ahead and give this video a like if you got some value out of it. And that's all I got for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. And as always, peace.